What's the meaning of bank card? Bank card. Bank card.
Bank card. Bank card. A bank card is a type of payment card issued to customers by a financial institution, such as a bank or credit union. It allows the cardholder to access their bank account to make purchases, transfer funds, withdraw cash, and perform other financial transactions. Bank cards typically bear the name of the issuing bank, as well as the cardholder's name, account number, and expiration date. They may come in various types, such as debit cards or credit cards, each with its own unique features and benefits. With the widespread use of bank cards, much of the world's economy has become increasingly reliant on electronic payment systems.